Okay, so we have a little alley. This is called Rua do Rebanho, and we're gonna walk through it and check it all out. And we're kind of on this main street. Give you a little context. There's a red market down there. They get fresh meats down there. This is Rua Costa e Horta, kind of a main road. Via Hills up that way, and we're gonna be walking into this little alley right here.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. Feels like the lens feels kind of foggy or something. So yeah, this is kind of like a little shopping area in this area. It's kind of cool. Very cool. You got some lanterns right in here. They sell some gold right here. About 200 American dollars or something like that. Okay, so we're gonna walk down our little alley here. Check it all out. Look, you got lots of vegetables like this area. And you also have some foods like this one. Mostly fried foods here. Let's keep on going down. More fruits. Yeah, it looks so nice in here. Kind of love that Macau has all this kind of stuff like this. Okay. All these toys, and these are utensils, I mean. Household utensils. Fruits in the alley, vegetables in the alley. Clothing in the alley. Motorcycle in the alley, people in the alley. Yeah, when I first came to Macau, I was kind of surprised at how much stuff was happening in the alleys. Not in Macau, when I first came to Asia, which was Korea about 25 years ago. So yeah, I've been in Asia 25 years, and I still remember when I first came to Korea, and I was kind of surprised at all the people in the alleys and just how much stuff is going on. Hello. So, but yeah, 25 years later, I'm in Macau. I don't really go down here very often because I'm so used to this stuff, but I know that on camera, people would like to see this. Because every time I do a video with markets, people always click on the link and want to see it. More vegetables. Lots of kids' interactions, right? So that's our street right there, Rua do Rebanho. So that's our street right there. And we're gonna come into this little alley right here, and then I think what we're gonna do from here, we'll just kind of film a little bit here, and that's our alley that we just went down, Rua do Rebanho, and it's pretty lively. We'll probably do more filming in this area as well. Probably focus on this street right here. Okay, so that was our lively little alley right there. Rua do Rebanho. And all the other kind of stuff going on around here. Okay.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Toma cuidado da bovidinha.